Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has termed the recent fossil theft incident as sad and unfortunate, emphasizing the challenges faced by the government in securing the site due to land ownership complexities. Sangma assured that an FIR has been registered and an investigation is underway. It may be mentioned that a rare fossil estimated to be 35 to 40 million years old that was unearthed last year in Meghalaya's South Garo Hills was reported stolen.
Situation. As I said, we had challenges because in the initial stage, because that area, the Akhang and the land in Nokmas, it's under them and inquiry is being done. Let's hope that we're able to retrieve some, and even now we will continue the process of geological survey still going, because I feel that we should not just stop here.
A total of 17